Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain to you the steps which you can use to face the issue of cracking sound on Windows 11. First, open up the web browser of your choice. Then type in this link. On the comment section, you'll find this link on the comment section. Or else you can type it one by one, or you can find it in the comment section. I will put it there. Then here you see Windows 11. When I first initially installed it, I didn't have that issue, but after I have done the update, I think this latest driver was installed. The 6.0.97 was installed. That's when I began to have the cracking sound. So what you need to do is download this version, July 1st, 2024, 8D audio drivers. Download this one. Download it, because this was what I used to face my issue. Then I will start downloading it. I'll cancel it because I've already downloaded it, and go to the location where I installed. I installed it to this location. Remember, the file name is not audio cracking update. This is just a folder I put it in. This is a file. This is the file, but I'll first delete it. There's a file you get. First, you need a win rack to be able to install it. For win rack, you can get it online. File expire, you get some issues, but this one contains password. Yes. So first, open with win rack. Then here's the password. Now, right click and choose extract the third option. Then type the password. Type the password. TAIWDS.com. Press OK. Wait for it to complete. It is done. Then double click on it. Double click on it again. Then search locate setup. Double click on it. Press yes. Then whatever you see here, just click on next. Yes, just click on next. I've already installed it. To fix my issue, so I'm not going to install it again. So let's proceed to the next step. After it is done, it will ask you to restart the machine. Please do well to restart. After that, check if the issue is resolved. If not, because after I was done, the issue was resolved, but immediately the Windows Auto updates again and the driver was installed again. So what I did was, first I went to settings, then I go to update and pause my update. Then I right click on the audio and go to sound settings and go to more options, more sound settings. Yeah, then you see this high definition audio is what I have installed. Now it's working, but when I initially installed it, the Windows Auto update again, and this file and this audio, this latest audio was what get reinstalled. So I'm still having a problem, and so I click on properties and go to drivers and go to rollback. This one, I selected this one and choose rollback to previous edition. You will find it in the hospital. I tick that box and then I click on OK. Then everything resume back to normal. What you will notice is that for that latest version, you won't get the enhancement. This one, I wasn't getting it. It was off. It wasn't part of the tax bar. But initially I installed this audio. I finally got this one. So that is how I solved mine, and I hope it worked for you. Do well to subscribe. Thank you.